And I'm the school games organiser for Blackburn and Darwin. This week's SPAR Lancashire School Games Challenge is going to be in the sport of cricket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we set it up. So follow me over here. Okay, so obviously for cricket we need a target, we need some stumps. Appreciate not everybody will have some stumps, so what we've done is we've improvised. We've stuck on 3 pieces of white paper onto our wheelie bin. Okay? At the other end we're going to mark out 12 paces, so just 12 normal walking paces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. And we're going to put down a bucket, something to mark that end. Okay? Now down this end, what I've done is I've laid out, you might have to raid every sock drawer in your house, I've laid out 20 pairs of socks. So what we've done is, from the stumps, take 2 normal paces, 1, 2, and then as you can see, I've put 4 rows of 5 lots of socks. Okay, and that's our basic setup for the game. It's going to be a 90-second challenge. Okay, you're going to start at one end with the ball. So Ruben's going to start at that end there. For 90 seconds, what he's got to try and do, he's going to try and land the ball and hit the socks. If he hits a pair of socks, those socks get taken away and that's 1 point onto his score. Okay, if the ball hits the 3 stumps, he also gets a point for that, and that's why I've got another pile over here. Okay, and if he hits the stumps, I take a pair of socks out of that pile and they're added to his score. We do that for 90 seconds and we see how many points he can get. Now for children who haven't done much cricket bowling before, all that we're going to say is, can you make a star shape? So Ruben, make a star shape, keep those arms nice and straight, and can we bowl it at those stumps? Okay, so that's just wide. So if you've played a little bit more cricket like Ruben has, okay, you can try and bowl it how you'd normally bowl. So you have a go how you'd normally bowl, just start a little run up from there. Okay. Okay, so that hit the first set of socks, so that's 1 point. Okay, obviously we'll be on the clock, we'll be doing this for 90 seconds. Get out into your gardens, have a go at that, send your clips into your local school games organiser, get the clips on social media using tagging in at Lancs School Games, hashtag LancsGames20. Enjoy.